Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm sorry, but this is part 3. I found an easier way while those other videos were loading. So in part 1, we made this. Part 2, we figured out how to make this more symmetrical. Then I started thinking, we don't need a ellipse. We're going to use our friend, the 3-point curve line. And we're going to go just like from here to here, and then just give it every bit of a slope. You could play around with that and then take a 2-point line and come through here and have it touch there. And then we'll see if we have any leaks. We're going to go with the red first. Don't have any leaks. We're going to change it to black. Don't have any leaks. That's good, and it's a lot easier. We're going to go ahead and take away our lines. And then remember and here again, we could probably round that off a little bit, so we could do that here now. I could have maybe even used the 2-point curve line, but we're just going to use the smoothing tool and smooth out that edge a little bit. Just give a little bit of a turn looking. And if you do all that before you do the rotation, you're set. Control G to group it together, Control D to duplicate it, move your center of rotation to the center. A lot of times it doesn't look like it is, but if you click off of it, and remember we rotated at 240 degrees, and then Control D, and you have that problem solved. A lot easier than these other two parts. Just use that 3-point curve than trying to match up the ellipse. Anyway, I hope that helped.